There is Wi-Fi on this phone, but unfortunately I don't know the password of this Wi-Fi, but I want to connect on this Wi-Fi because this is my phone. I don't have Wi-Fi on this device, but I want to connect on this one. So how do I do it? How do I connect to this Wi-Fi? Yet I don't know the password, but my friend is already using this Wi-Fi, but I want to connect on it. So this is a simple trick how you can connect on this Wi-Fi with your device without letting your friend know that you have connected on his Wi-Fi. So get his phone and go direct to Wi-Fi settings. You will see this icon for settings. So click on it like this, then it will give you the option for QR code. So in different phones it will not be directly here, but in Samsung it will be here, but on other phones like Huawei and other, it will display like here on the top. So click on this one. On this one it will show you the QR code. Open your camera for your phone, then scan this one. It will give you this pop-up and you will connect directly to this Wi-Fi. It will, after connecting, it will indicate here. Then if you are using another device and you know that that device cannot scan using the camera, for example, I have this phone here. I have this phone, but I cannot scan using the camera of this phone. I will show you. If you try scanning, it will not scan. As you can see, if you try scanning, it will not scan. So what you need to do is downloading this app, QR and barcode scanner. From Play Store, you can just go there. There are a lot of scanners that you can use, but you can search QR code scanner. Yes. So once you show that QR code scanner, it will directly show you this one. It will first show you the password. Here, this is the password. You can go ahead and use another phone, for example this one, and you put this password, or you can share password to your laptop. Then another thing, you can directly, if you want to connect one device, you don't want to know the password, just click here directly. It will start connecting to that Wi-Fi. As you can see, this is the way how you will be able to connect to that Wi-Fi without any disturbance. So that is the simple trick how you can know the password of the Wi-Fi, and also how you can connect it without taking any much time connecting all your devices. As you can see, this iPhone can scan with the camera, and also Samsung can also scan with the camera, but only in Android 10 to 12. Other Androids doesn't scan. So that is the simple trick, guys, how you can connect. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.